I've gone ahead and downloaded admin tools, and again, akibabackup.com/products/admin-tools.html, and you can see all of the features here. We're going to cover them in the next couple of videos. I've already installed and turned on Admin Tools Pro, and let's start by covering some of the best features. The first one I want to cover is the idea that you can password protect the administrator area. If I click on this, it's going to ask me for a username and password specifically when I come to /administrator. If your administrator area becomes inaccessible, please remove the .htaccess and .htpassword files from the administrator directory using FTP. In other words, log into your site using FTP or cPanel and grab those two files out of the administrator directory, remove them, and you'll be back in. This should not be the same username and password as your super administrator or your own account. So I'm going to give it something very strong here. My tools login, and I'm going to use a secure password here. Which was a combination of letters, both uppercase, lowercase, special characters, and numbers. Click Password Protect. And now when I go and try and log into my administrator, it's going to ask me for the username and password. One thing to remember, you must be on a web server that uses the .htaccess file. If you're on a Windows IIS server, this feature will not work. And indeed, most of the features from Admin Tools won't work, and that's why it's always recommended to use an Apache web server for Joomla. So now that I'm logged back in and my site is a little bit more protected, let's go ahead and make sure it's really protected. The htaccess maker